Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of IntelliJ IDEA, that is version 2026.2 on a Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how to use IntelliJ IDEA for Java programming. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here IntelliJ IDEA download. Hit enter. So just simply go to the official site of jetbrains.com. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will see that latest version of IntelliJ IDEA is available, version 26.2. Just simply click on this download button and that's going to immediately start downloading your IntelliJ IDEA. You can see I have already downloaded it, that's why I am going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser, I'll go to my download directory. Here is my IntelliJ IDEA. Just double click on it. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes. And welcome to IntelliJ IDEA setup. Just simply click on next. This is where our IntelliJ IDEA is going to be installed, totally fine, click on next. Here I need to select all the options and click on next, click on install and that's going to immediately start installing your IntelliJ IDEA. So by the time our IntelliJ IDEA get installed, I recommend you to check out our geekyscript.com website. Here you will get lot of tutorials. You can search with anything like Java, let's say. You can search with any programming language you want and you can learn the basics of Java or any programming languages by just simply going through these articles. You can complete all of these courses. Again, all of that completely free. You can also practice your learning by just simply taking this quiz. We have a timer and within that timer you need to complete this quiz. You are going to also get detailed explanation as well. We also have interactive labs. Here you will get labs for all these different data structure that you can see. So for example, if I open linked list, you can see this visualizer canvas. So you can append or prepend. You can see how it is actually appending, or if you want to insert at a specific location. Let's say you want to add value 5 at index, let's say 1. So insert at, and it's going to insert at, and detail code to perform insert at or append, prepend, reverse, everything is properly shown irrespective of any language you want. Similarly, you will get all these different visualizers. You can see AVL tree, then various sorting techniques like let's say merge sort, and you will be able to actually see how this entire array gets sorted. You can change the speed as well from here. So now it will be a little faster and it is done finally. Again, detailed code for sorting is also available for all these different languages you can see. Similarly, you can check for other data structures like priority queue or heap tree, all of that. Again, for completely free. So don't forget to check out our geekyscript.com website. I'm sure you're going to definitely love it. And we also have a compiler. So if you want to run any code, you can directly use this compiler. Again, completely free, just click on run code and it's going to give you the output on terminal. And you can see that it is completely responsive. You will be able to learn everything right on your phone itself. So don't forget to check our website geekyscript.com. Let's go back to our IntelliJ IDEA. It's still installing. So let's wait for some more time over here. So welcome back. So our IntelliJ IDEA is now rightly installed. Desktop shortcut also created over here. So just click on finish. And now just double click on IntelliJ IDEA to start launching our IntelliJ IDEA. Here is our IntelliJ IDEA version 26.2. It's going to ask you to provide permission to firewall. Just click allow and there you go. Here let's start afresh. Just maximize it. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA. Click on new project. Here you need to provide your project name. I'll give the project name as Hello World. You can give any project name you want. And here you can see that our JDK is already selected as version 26, the latest one. If you don't have Java installed, you can always download it by just simply clicking on this button. You can see download Oracle Open JDK Java, that is 26.0.1. Since I have already Java installed, it is shown detected JDK already. So I don't need to do anything. I'll just simply click on create and it's going to start creating our project. Click on let's go. Here is our project, you can see. Let's maximize it. You can see that it is installing JetBrains AI Assistant and all of different plugins. So it's going to take some time. Let's wait for some time to get it loaded fully. And it is rightly opened. And you can see that our code main.java is also opened over here. So you just click on this run button. It's going to immediately start building our project, and then it's going to show you the output on your console. You can see hello and welcome, and then the 5 natural numbers that it has printed. So that's how you install IntelliJ IDEA and can start working on your Java projects. Now I'll talk about their premium features. So you can see that we are already within their trial period. So about 29 days still left. So after that you need to buy their subscription in order to continue using IntelliJ IDEA, or else you can just simply cancel the subscription. So for that, go to the search icon and just simply search with manage, and you will see these manage subscriptions over here. So click on that. Here you can see that we are already within their trial period. So what we'll do is we're going to deactivate this subscription. Click on deactivate and restart. It's going to close IntelliJ IDEA altogether and going to reopen it. Here it is again, rightly started opening, and it's rightly open, but this time you can see that we are not within their trial period. So it's showing start a free trial because we are not within their trial period. So as you go to search again and search with manage, and you go to the manage subscriptions, you can see no subscription. So now you can use their community features for completely free, and you don't need to pay anything. So you can run the project, build it, get the output, everything you can do. So that's how you install IntelliJ IDEA and can start working on your Java programs. And I have also showed you how to use their community features of IntelliJ IDEA. Please do check out our geekyscript.com website. Like I said, you'll be able to learn a lot of new things for completely free. So all these tutorials you can see are there for completely free. So you can go and you can check those out. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Script. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.